Hey, welcome back to the channel. Still playing around these trains. I know y'all waiting for some models and they're coming. But this is where I'm at so far. Started working on the tunnel, some of the track. You know, it's getting there. Got two of the four lines running. This one here is going to be a little tricky hooking this one up. As you can see, it's about as far as I got. Testing the other one out now. But yeah, still under construction, as you can see. but doing some bridges. Yeah, I got another one I'm getting ready to do. That'll be over there on that far end there. That'll be a river, hopefully. Just got this little guy done. There's a truck. There we go. Scratch built Washington State style dump truck. Gotta have one on the layout. Double track tunnel. Got some of the lights hooked up. Kind of a mess in there right now. Of course, it all is when you put these things together. Some guys are real neat about it. Me, I don't know. Organized chaos, I guess. Tank farm's lit up finally. Those are shell signs. I know you can't see them because of the glare. But, this is where the bridges are going to go. Right in here. I have to put an extension over for this track to be able to get around this corner. Right back here in the back. Eventually it's going to be incorporated into a 53-foot long layout, hopefully. And I know it doesn't look like much now with all this crap all over the place, but everything will get tied in. This will be more or less like a loop when it's all started. Yeah, just giving you all an update what's going on. I'll put another video up before Thanksgiving. Everybody have a great holiday and be safe out there.